Today's experience was very good. Even though I have done it in anxiety workshop and anxiety counseling session, but today I was able to connect to that because Soumya did it beautifully. I mean, the relaxation is beyond the words, actually, I should say. The whole process now, it's good.
All right.
Sleep is, a lot of clients who come, one of the problems they have is sleep. No matter what issue they are dealing with, it does disturb their sleep. Because one of the indication that person is healthy is having a good, deep sleep at low. So that is one. Many times it's very difficult to find out how do you go about handling such a person who is having sleep issues, and it's very easy to get distracted and go into alleys which may not give any solution. The program which we just done, it's a very structured one, and actually will at least comb the entire scenario, and at least we'll be able to capture 70-80% of the issues. And if there is something else beside that, we can work out. And more than us, I think even the client who comes will have much more clarity on the problem that he is having. I think it will be very helpful, and this program will be extremely good. Thank you very much, Ms. Ba. That was a great one.
First of all, the sleep counseling, that brought me a lot of curiosity that what can be the new thing happen when it comes to a counseling, especially when it comes to a sleep. And nevertheless, we have lots of clients coming with these problems of, I can't sleep and XYZ. But with this 2 days session, a lot of clarity has come how we can go about the, simple processes, how we can just not let go the simplest thing, which can be rectified at a surface level. So which that brought into my attention also, which we know already, but we never pay attention to it, right? And other than that, the sleep paralysis, as I told yesterday also, which is a new learning for me again, because I've never experienced and never came across such problems that my clients come up with. Second of all, the Betty Erickson technique that we have learned today, that was marvelous. And not for the self also, but I'm sure that when it will be executed and implemented in the session, the clients will be having a little more easy way to soothe their sleep. So thank you so much, Ms. Ba and the team, and for the wonderful audience over here. I would like to thank Soumya also. She has been a really good way to guide me through this stuff, because I was fumbling a lot, because this is again a new way for me to understand. So thank you, Soumya, again for guiding me through the process. Thank you. Thank you.
As Preeti also talked about, that I had a lot of curiosity regarding the sleep counseling certification, and yeah, I probably wasn't aware that there was something like that before I came over it on ICHARS website. So that is really great, and this 2-day workshop has really helped me a lot in understanding sleep issues and working with them. And yeah, it will surely be helpful to me when I work with real life clients once I get my master's. So yeah, and also the Petty Erickson technique was really great. I wasn't aware of it, and now I am, and I can make people aware of the same. So yes, and thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful session, and my co-colleagues also. So thank you.
या मैम, प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो की प्रॉब्लम ही जो है स्लीपिंग की है कि everyone not get well sleeping. So by ICHARS, I know about that कि sleeping properly कैसे हो सकती है और कैसे हम करें. मैं खुद पे तो कर लेती हूँ, बट अदर पर्सन पे मुझे ट्रीट करना है, तो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से सीख ली, मतलब इसको प्रॉपरली इसको कैसे करूँ दूसरों पे कैसे. तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा ये क्लास कि मैं दूसरों को कैसे हैंडल करूं. थैंक यू.
So I think repetition has helped me gain another new perspective. Like the more you go through your material, every time you get something new out of it, right? So first of all, the revision was really good for me, and second of all, I think I closed some gaps that might have existed from the last time. That's what revision does to you. So I was really happy about that, and I'm really optimistic about being able to handle patients who are having sleep issues, because most of them do. Most of them who are
I'm
struggling
sure
with
you know
chronic,
because you are into medicine.
yeah, eventually chronic diseases will mess up your sleep. So I'm very happy because I want to be a holistic doctor, right? So this was very important for me, and I feel like my confidence dealing with sleep issues was like 0, and now it's like 70-80%. So that's a very huge jump for me because of this workshop. So thank you.
Thank you.